I tried to follow AI advice online exactly the way people say to, and if I didn't stop, I would have wasted months or maybe years. Now, this is why most beginners don't fail at AI. They fail at following the wrong advice. Actually, AI isn't the problem, the advice is. Now, in this video, I'll break down the exact reason beginners fail with AI, what most advice or maybe AI advice get wrong, and what actually works if you are starting with no tech background, limited time, and real life responsibility. If you're a beginner, this will save you a lot of frustration. Now, let's start with the first lie, number one. Most AI advices start with tools. Learn ChatGPT, learn this AI, learn that AI. Now here's the problem. Tools don't give direction. Beginners learn tools with no goal, no use case, and also no outcome. So they end up actually knowing what bottoms exist, but not what it builds, okay? Now, for example, or maybe for instance, it is like learning how to use a hammer without knowing whether you are building a table, a chair, or maybe a house. Now, AI tools don't create income, but decisions do. Now, the second lie that I have seen is that AI side hustle are all easy. Most AI videos show results without context. They skip the thinking part. They show what worked after they already had skills, audience, or maybe even experience. Beginners copy the surface, not the system. Now, the bottom truth is that AI doesn't remove effort. It removes manual work, not the thinking. If you don't know what problem you are solving, AI just makes confusion faster. Now, let's talk about why beginners actually fail. These are some of the reasons that I have realized, or maybe I have thought about. From what I have seen, beginners fail for 4 specific reasons. Number one, there is no clear outcome. They don't decide, am I actually trying to save time? Am I actually doing this to make money? Or am I just doing this to create a product? Number two, it is because too many ideas. They have a lot of many ideas in their head. AI gives endless options. Beginners need constraints and also not possibilities. Number three, it is that there is no system. They jump from prompts to videos to tools with no structure. Number four is actually that they follow advice made for a different reality. Most AI advice is made for people with time, capital, or maybe US-based systems. That doesn't translate to everyone. Now, what actually works for beginners? The beginner AI reality that I want to share with you that I have used personally. Here is actually what works for me, or maybe what has worked for me, and I know that it can also work for you if you are a beginner. Number one, you have to decide one outcome. Not 5, not 8, not 2, just one. Examples, you can create one digital product. You can actually create or improve one skill. You can actually do automation or maybe automate one task. That is just one. Number two, use AI as an assistant and not a replacement. AI supports decisions. It doesn't replace them. Number three, limit your tools. One AI tool is enough. One platform is enough. One goal is enough. You don't need to jump from one platform to another. You're just gonna get confused faster. Number four step is actually build something small. Something not perfect, not scalable, but just finished. Okay? Momentum beats knowledge. That's what I know from the beginning. Now, this is why I created actually a beginner AI reality checklist, so that if you are diving into AI tools, you want to use some of them, you won't feel alone. Not to teach tools, but to help you beginner avoid the traps that waste time that I have actually used personally, and they have wasted a lot of time, and I have learned from them. It walks you through choosing the right outcome, using AI the right way, avoiding overlearning, building something simple and usable. Now, if you are tired of random AI advice and you want clarity, the checklist is actually linked below and it's gonna actually help you. And if this video helped you or maybe saved you as well, you can do me one favor by actually sharing with someone who is stuck, especially when it comes to AI tools and also beginner friendly side hustle when it comes to actually making money online or even learning skills when it comes to AI and technology. Now, more practical AI content, they are coming soon on this channel, so you have to stay tuned. And also don't forget to actually like the video, share this video, and if you have any queries, you have any inquiries, or maybe if you have any additional information regarding the same topic, don't forget to actually drop them in the comment section, and I'll be so glad to read some of the comments or maybe engage with you guys. Until next time guys, I'll see you. Take care and bye bye.